Before dinner, I'd have a little bit of bhel also. Properly made, nicely made with like...
chutneys and all.
Not really too many chutneys, but say some fried onions and cucumbers and some tomatoes. It's yum. And then I have my dinner and then I go to sleep. And if after lunch, sometimes I feel like I have an all-in-goodish Sandesh also some days.
Are there any special diets or ritual you follow while traveling or on sets, or if you have
Not really. If I know that I have to be in a certain shape, then just I avoid carbs. That's all. But other than that, no, I have not. Honestly, diets have not worked out for me. It's not like that. I have tried everything in the world. I think when I did keto, I did it about 2 weeks, and then I had a small intestine infection. When I'm not eating rice, I'm such a crabby person. I can't concentrate on anything that's happening. I genuinely feel like you should do something that you can do all your life. Finally, in the last 1.5 years, I have come to, and also my nutritionist, she's really, really helped me. She's given me these cups of what should be what quantity. So, and I've realized that, not really, if I stick to that, not that I'm losing weight, but I don't put on either. So I have finally found, I think, my balance.
And your cheat meals?
Which also I have 3 times in a week, I think. Fries with piri piri. Earlier I used to only order from, McDonald's or somewhere else. But now my helps know how to make it. And I just add the piri piri in it and I have.
Your favorite cuisine?
Bengali food, mummy ke haath ka khana, and Chinese also actually. I love a good Chinese meal. I actually also really love Italian food. Sorry.
Sucker for a pizza?
Pizza, more than pizza, I think it's the pastas. I love the aglio olio fusilli and made in pesto. Oh my god, I can literally, yeah.
So, lastly, was there any special ritual that you followed for, Brahmastra or Patli Kamari or anything like that?
So, Brahmastra initially, before we started shooting, it was, we had to do some sort of training, and there were people allotted. Kuldeep, in fact, he's one person who helped me out a lot. In fact, I was again battling with a lot of injuries at that very point in time. Patli Kamariya, like I said, I kept at it I was doing my daily exercise practices and just the food bit. I managed for about a week.
Thank you so much, Moni.
Thank you.
It was great talking to you. I think I've known everything about you right now.
Yeah.
Now, I feel that.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for chatting with us. Thank you so much, guys. Comment below and let us know what else would you like to know about Moni, and we'll try to
I don't think they want to know anything more. That's enough.
Thank you so much.
Someone and that didn't happen.
Right.
Because again, I'm not a kind of person who jumps in and out of relationships very soon. If I am, that was my first relationship, but and then I don't take it in a very right way, because I invest a lot in that, or any relationship for that matter. So I was like, unless it's not happening for real, I'm not letting it out.
Yeah.
Because anything can go wrong at any point, and I've dealt with it already.
Yeah.
So
Were you cynical about love before
Yes.
that happened? How did you overcome that?
had he not been the man, I would have still been that cynical, stupid woman, because I have been badly hurt and not been treated so well in my relationships before him, and there's an absolute lack of trust and absolute not very high regard for love or for men, but I guess this man just...
What was that moment when you thought that, I'm sure a lot of people must have asked you this, but I really want to know, because someone who is very cynical of love, it does take a lot to finally say yes.
No, because why are you cynical? You're cynical because your trust has been broken.
Yeah.
You're cynical because promises were made and not...
Maybe you're scared of heartbreak again.
Correct.
Yeah.
If a man does exactly all of that, like with me and Shardul, I told Shardul, when Shardul first asked me to date him, I was like, dude, I'm done with it.
Yeah, I'm not in the dating phase anymore.
I'm just not in that zone.
Yeah.
And you know what, like, no, but I want to date you. I said, are you ready to commit to me right now? He's like, yeah.
Huh.
I'm like, dude, this is serious. This is no some bullshitting. He's like, what, do you want me to talk to your mom? And then you realize that when he said you want to talk to your mom, and I'm like, wait, I need time because this is happening too fast. So because you are so scared, because what happens, see, like typically what happens in the relationship is first we'll see how it figures out, and then if it goes well, then the parents will be involved, and till the time the parents are involved, the guys are not sure.
That's true, that happens a lot.
Yeah, that happened. And then I'm like, dude, now pehle parents. It's like नंदी से पहले शिव भगवान का पहले दर्शन होना है, उसके बाद ही बाकी सब होना है. So when he said that, and I was like, okay, great. So now, which means that obviously you're not scared of commitment and all of that. So I was like, he was like, listen, Neha, I know that you've been through some really shitty patches, and I'm here. I said, whatever you want me to do, I'm here.
I do not eat junk, right? So I don't hog on to foods like burgers and pizzas, like how people have their fetish, and I don't drink colas. So mujhe nahi pata, I don't know how do I cheat. So I end up eating more sometimes, but that'll be my food. So yeah, I have started working out like religiously. Okay, I've become this very religious girl who can leave her shoot once but not gym, because again, I'm really, so it's gotten me addicted, and it's CrossFit. It's not even gym, it's functional that I'm doing. Cheat meal. I would love to eat Hakka noodles. This Chinese is my favorite, but because of, again, various reasons of this and skin problems and issues, I had to abandon it. So I would love to eat a lot of Hakka noodles one day, just go crazy with it. Okay, I will not lie, I have starved a lot once, when I was a little younger than this, and when I was silly. So I used to starve a lot. So that was my way of staying thin. But again, I did not realize how big a mistake it was. It was affecting my health. It was affecting my skin and my hair. So the craziest diet that I've gone on is just, I used to starve, right? So that was, bad. I take care of my skin in a lot of ways. I have this, again, that's a doctor prescribed cleansing pads that come. So, I take it for my skin, and it does well. So like a proper skin regime, because since we all girls, especially we are in this business, so we put a lot of makeup, and then you have 12 hours, 18 hours going on. So it's very important to just go home. No matter how sleepy I am, I make sure that I remove my entire makeup, and I just, put a lot of cream before I sleep. So yeah, that's important. Because it is so hard to be here, it is so tough for us to even imagine where we would want to go. So this motivation comes from within, because a girl like me, I would never expect that I would be here. So from how I look to how I look today, it's been a great journey. It's been a great transformation in my own life. I feel good, and from here, I know if I've reached this far, I want to look better. I want to look better, and so that's motivation enough. And